In a dense forest lived an elephant who was notorious for his cruel behavior towards other animals. He would break trees, rip branches, and destroy nests, causing much harm to the creatures that lived in the forest. Despite his massive size, no one dared to challenge him. One day, the jackals decided to take revenge on the elephant for destroying their burrows. They held a meeting but could not find a solution to kill the elephant. An old jackal then proposed a plan, and the animals agreed to leave it to him. The old jackal went to the elephant and told him that all the animals in the forest wanted to make him their king. The elephant, who had always craved for power and recognition, was thrilled and agreed to go with the jackal to his coronation ceremony. On the way, the jackal led the elephant through a swampy area where the elephant started sinking. The jackal refused to help him, reminding him of all the harm he had caused to other animals. The elephant realized his mistake, but it was too late. He died in the swamp. The moral of the story is that one's actions have consequences, and it's essential to treat others with kindness and respect. Arrogance and cruelty will only lead to one's downfall in the end.